if you have an iota of concern for this state.
How all religions in our country
against corruption, a party that stands for in politics.
Another one, ILP, that is also been taken a resolution on the floor of the House. Madam Chair.
The same Modi government unilaterally passed 3 contentious farm bills without any consultation with the farmers or farmer organization or any opposition party.
Please, isko record ko clear kar lo.
The icon of the culture of this country, Harivansh Sham Sarma, don't matter in this country. If you have an iota of concern for this state, there would not have been a silence. There would not have been a silence in this house, nor in the presidential address. This must be registered.
Please raise your point of order.
If you wanted to doubt the nationality and the nationalism of the people of that state, you must realize that these people have fought for the country. These people have brought laurel to this country. Please remember this. And that is what the silence means.
1 second.
And I am telling you this.
मेरी कौम को हमने मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बनाया, भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बनाया। हमने कैसे नहीं इज्जत दी मणिपुर को स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी दिया। और आपसा जो है, मैं एक ऐसा आदमी हूं कि मेरे मामा को मणिपुर में गोली लगी, वो सीआरपीएफ के डीआईजी थे, इनको शहीद नहीं पता है। और 1956 में पहला आपसा मणिपुर में लगा और 1956 से आज तक कांग्रेस के कारण मणिपुर की यह स्थिति है।
5 years after independence, can you negate this fact? We are talking about the inclusion of the Northeast history after 75 years. That's a classic exclusion. India was an anthropological subject, not a historical subject in the eyes of the colonial forces. And today, the Northeast remains outside of the history of the Indian history textbook. That is why you treat them as the other. And that's the silence. And the silence on the Manipur tragedy is not unique. It is a reflection of this general continuity of the colonial in the post-colonial. It is sad to see a nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with this silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguistic in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. And Mr. Chairman, the hurt, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Beating the BJP cabinet minister, think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish, and a pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you bring that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and a nationalist party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
And also to uphold the constitution of this great nation, to ensure secularism, pluralism, federalism, that these the tenets of our great nation prevail. So, King Solomon the Great said these words, that a nation without a vision will perish. Well, I was very delighted to hear the words futuristic, the words vision in the address by the Honorable President. While I was patiently waiting for, what is the future, what is there in the vision of the President's address, as a first-time MP, I was listening patiently to hear where the government will take the nation, how the government will take it. But unfortunately, I did not get much except for the achievement that the government in the past has accomplished. Well, I wish that the government will be more explicit in its endeavor. Mr. Chairman, while mentioning the lasting peace in the Northeast, as is spelled out in the presidential address, I would like to remind the government of the day and also the government of the past, led by the Congress government, that our people, my people, living especially in the border with Assam, in the border with Bangladesh, I tell you till today, they don't feel safe at all.
Rahul Gandhi ji.
I spoke about some concepts, religious concepts. Shivji's concept of ahimsa, the fact that the Trishul is placed behind the back and is not held in the hand. I spoke about the snake on Shivji's neck. And I also said how all religions in our country propose the idea of non-violence and can be encapsulated in the phrase, Daro mat, darao mat. And I also said that there is an idea beyond the personal, the idea of the Abhay Mudra, that transmits this notion of ahimsa and affection and fearlessness to everybody else. Speaker Sir, as I said in my speech, there is an atmosphere of fear. Dar ka mahol hai Hindustan mein. And that fear has pervaded every aspect of our country. My friends are smiling, but they are also scared. They are scared. Sir, मैं आ रहा हूँ sir. Budget है sir, budget पे ही बोल रहा हूँ sir. Sir, you see the problem is sir, in the BJP only one man is allowed to dream to be Prime Minister. If the Defense Minister decides he wants to be Prime Minister, there's a big problem, there is fear. So this fear has been spread throughout the country, and the question I was asking myself was, why is this fear spreading so deeply? Why is it that my friends in the BJP are terrified, the ministers are terrified, the farmers of India are terrified, workers, youngsters? And इसके बारे में मैंने सोचा, काफी सोचा, और एक जवाब मैं प्रपोज करता हूं आज. स्पीकर सर, हजारों साल पहले हरियाणा में कुरुक्षेत्र में एक युवा को, अभिमन्यु को 6 लोगों ने चक्रव्यूह में मारा था. 6 चक्रव्यूह में फंसाकर मारा था. सर, चक्रव्यूह के अंदर डर होता है, हिंसा होती है, और अभिमन्यु को चक्रव्यूह में फंसाकर, ट्रैप कर 6 लोगों ने मारा. मैंने चक्रव्यूह के बारे में थोड़ी रिसर्च की और पता लगा कि चक्रव्यूह का एक दूसरा नाम होता है पद्मव्यूह, मतलब लोटस फॉर्मेशन. तो जो चक्रव्यूह होता है स्पीकर सर, वो लोटस के शेप में होता है, कमल के फूल के शेप में होता है. 21वीं सदी में सर एक नया चक्रव्यूह तैयार हुआ है.
The Meghalaya has taken the resolutions on Garo Khasi language to be included in the 8th schedule, when we could have portrayed a beautiful language in this wonderful diversified decorum of the country. And another one, ILP, that is also been taken the resolution on the floor of the House. Madam, this government seems to neglect the budget that was supposed to be pivotal, ensuring the goodwill of the masses, reaffirming the trust on June 4th. It has been long and government has proven that they focus mainly on Sabka Nash, Apna Vikash. Seems like it has not learned a lesson from the Lok Sabha poll. Once again, the budget has attempted to fix supply side factors without paying attention to farm ways to bolster consumer demand. Instead, the whole budget exercise for the financial year seems to concentrate solely on reducing the fiscal deficit from 5.1% currently to targeted 4.9%. The maximum price for which now will be paid by the taxpayer. The taxpayers pays the brunt. The taxpayer on the long-term capital gains announced have been increased, something that our finance minister would only simplify the tax structure.
सर एक बार सुन
हाँ, एक मिनट प्लीज माननीय सदस्य, आप भी बैठ जाए। एक मिनट माननीय सदस्यगण, हमें ये प्रयास करना चाहिए कि जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं हो उसके बारे में टिप्पणी नहीं करें, सभी लोग इसकी पालन करने का प्रयास करें।
सर मैं एक
प्लीज प्लीज बोल दिया ना सबको, बोल दिया।
सर
हम लोग तो बोलते हैं, बीजेपी लोग जब करते हैं हम लोग कुछ नहीं बोलते। क्यों नहीं? एक मिनट, क्यों नहीं? आप उनको नहीं बोलने देना चाहते, आप उनको डिस्टर्बेंस कर रहे हैं। प्लीज अभिषेक जी एक मिनट, अभिषेक जी एक मिनट। मैंने सभी माननीय सदस्यों को, आप डायरेक्शन देंगे क्या मुझे? नो, प्लीज बैठिए, प्लीज। माननीय, ऐसे मत कीजिए प्लीज, ऐसे माननीय सदस्य मेरे मत थपाइए। जब आपको बोल दिया बैठना है तो बैठना है। अभिषेक जी,
मैं एक चीज से स्पष्ट करता हूं। ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन सर ने बोला जो इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं है, कोई भी सदस्य उनके खिलाफ कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करेगा। सर मैं आपसे इतना पूछना चाहता हूं, पश्चिम बंगाल के चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी सदन के सदस्य है? नहीं है, तो उन्होंने क्यों टिप्पणी किया? सर आप अपना पद का मान रखिए सर, उनको उठ के बोलिए माफी मांगेगा। देन आई विल कंटिन्यू माय स्पीच। नो सर, you have to intervene. Sir, you're the speaker. You are the speaker of this house. No sir.
एक मिनट प्लीज,
मैं हाथ जोड़ के
प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज
आग्रह करता हूं, विनम्र रूप से मैं आग्रह करता हूं सर, उनको बोलिए आप स्पीकर के नाते, अध्यक्ष के नाते, इस सदन का गरिमा के लिए आप उनको बोलिए उठ के वो माफी मांगेगा।
नहीं प्लीज प्लीज, आपको कंटिन्यूस करना है तो करिए। उनका नाम सदन के रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया है, नहीं करना है तो आप डायरेक्शन मत दिए कि उनको माफी मंगाइए। आप मुझे डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते। मैंने उनका नाम निकाल दिया, ऐसे कई बार हुआ है सदन में, पहले निकाल दिया है।
Sir, D for deprive. You spent 2,000 crore on revamping Central Vista. You did this to improve the homes of the rich, influential, and powerful. What have you done for the homeless in the cities, towns, and villages? Why have you deprived the homeless across India and Bengal? You are not only visionless and shameless. You are not.
एक मिनट
Sir, he is not even listening to you.
अब क्यों डिस्टर्ब? मैं बाद में आपकी बात सुन लूंगा।
Sir, he is not
आपकी
even
बात सुन
listening to
लूंगा।
Sir, so
नहीं सब निकाल देंगे प्लीज,
Sir,
निकाल देंगे।
सर ये तो आपका बात भी नहीं सुन रहा है। Sir, his obsession with grandstanding and distracting the countrymen from the real issues, leaving India to pay